So what you need to do first is to remove this cable. First and foremost, you just turn off the machine, and then you come here, you remove this cable. So on this cable there's this pin, you just push it down, and then on this side there's another pin, you push it down, and then you take the cable out, right? And then after that, there are about 6 screws. There are 3 here, and then there are also 3 on this other side. So you just need to remove all of them, and then let's just do that. You remove this. Okay, it's out. Then you also remove that. And then so this is the control panel that they're talking about, this one. So what you need to do after that is you need to take this cable back, and if you notice the pins of the cable, you see this pin here, this groove here should also align with this groove. So make sure that it's aligned properly like this, see, and make sure that all the pins they're inserted in. Okay, so you